In this video, I'll show you how to enable Secure Boot on Windows 11 on ASUS PCs. Firstly, power on your system and immediately start pressing the Delete key until the BIOS system appears. Once in BIOS, ensure you are in Advanced mode. If not, look for an option to switch to Advanced mode. Locate the Boot tab or section in the BIOS menu and select Secure Boot from the boot options. After selecting Windows UEFI mode, the Secure Boot state will automatically synchronize with the Secure Boot keys. The Secure Boot state option will appear grayed out by default as it cannot be manually adjusted. Ensure the Secure Boot keys are loaded for the state to be active. Just press F10 or locate the Save and Exit option. Confirm changes and allow the system to restart.